The New York Times is reporting today that Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth is said to have used more than one signal chat to share details regarding American strikes in Yemen. The encrypted chat wasn't just government officials. Hegseth added his wife, brother, and lawyer. This is in addition to the signal chat used to accidentally share classified information with a journalist at The Atlantic. Ahmed Banafa is a professor at San Jose State University who studies technology and cybersecurity. She spoke with us about the security of Signal.
Signal is an app that's used by journalists and used for private communication between parties. It's used about by 40 to 70 million users every month. So it's fairly popular one when you want to send a secure message, but it's not good for highly sensitive information. The key thing about it is, yes, the communication between the two phones is really encrypted. That's mean if anybody intercepted, not going to see anything. The risk here is somebody has access to your phone, whether it's physically or through, a spyware. They can see this kind of discussion and this kind of highly sensitive information if you're transmitting that.
And the Washington Post is reporting today that both the Trump and Biden administrations have been using Google Drive to store sensitive documents. And Banafa says this is a security threat since Google apps scan your information to train their applications.
In addition to that, if we are using Gmail for our communications, sometimes you go to a third-party website and they ask you to access that website using your Gmail. So as one way for you to access it. And once you agree to that, they have access to your messages.
And basically, there's a lot of danger when secure communication is not being used, according to Banafa.
We have a lot of enemies, and those enemies are really trying every possible way to get their hands on war plans, on all the three-letter agencies and the other agencies that protecting the United States. And when we take the secure communication outside, the ecosystem that provided by those agencies and have it in a commercial app like Signal or try to use the Gmail for communication, we are really increasing the risk that the enemies of the United States can get their hands on the document, and so they can be 2 or 3 steps ahead in the negotiation. Keeping the secrets of the country, regardless of the administration, should be the highest job or the highest level, of responsibility of everybody. There are certain ways, there are certain places, these kind of things can be discussed with certain people who have enough clearance to be in those areas, and that's going to make everybody safe.
Ahmed Banafa is a professor at San Jose State University who studies technology and cybersecurity.